Welcome guys to Voodoo Monkey Garage, guys and girls. Don't want to forget the gals out there. But welcome to Voodoo Monkey Garage. We are so excited to be launching this channel. It's been a long time coming, right? My cousin Joey and I, we work on stuff constantly over here. We're always having fun and getting into a bunch of shenanigans and troubles and problems and issues and trying to figure stuff out, just like any of you. I think most of us are not professionals at this. We just kind of get in and figure it out, but we really enjoy it and we have a passion for it. And what is it? For us, it is building stuff. It's finding fun projects. It's putting these fun projects together. It's kind of brainchild, right? Finding a vehicle and you go, what can I do with this vehicle? Some of the other stuff you might see us doing is off-roading, building some cabinets, just doing some wiring, some basic electrical, or plumbing, or whatever happens around the household. We just want to bring you guys along with what we're doing, because it seems like we're always doing something, dare I say, stupid or fun. So right now I'm sitting in a 64 Dodge D300. We're having fun putting this on a 2500 frame from a Dodge 2500 Cummins diesel, manual transmission, 4x4. And eventually we're going to be cutting the backside of this frame, putting on a dually setup with a 79 Ford frame underneath it, and a full rollback tilt deck aluminum tow truck thing. I don't even know. I got an idea. There's a picture up here. I don't know how to draw it, but it's gonna come out and it's gonna look like what it looks like, and we're gonna bring you guys along with it. So we're just excited to be launching the channel. We're getting ahead of it a little bit, but we want to do this welcome video just to welcome you to our channel. It gets you encouraged to subscribe, ring the notification bell. We're probably going to be popping up some little shorts here and there as we are building up to actually releasing the videos. We've got a lot of really cool content. We've been filming, but we all have full-time jobs too. So we're not doing this full-time. That's where we need your help in the subscription. Need your help in letting people know that we're here. Trust me, we're gonna have fun. It's gonna be a good time. You'll see producer Drew. You'll probably see some of my buddies showing up, Cody, Jason, the old man, neighbor, Dwayne. You'll see these guys popping in, man, all sorts of characters coming around. But our whole goal is just to have fun, to bring you along with it. We've got a really cool 79 Jeep DJ5, an old postal delivery Jeep, right-hand drive. It's got the sliding doors on it. We were going to do a full restoration on it, and thanks to Drew, that got scrapped. Now we're going to do a rat rod with it. I haven't seen a lot of people do rat rods with these things, and again, I got something up here. Joey, you'll meet him. He is an absolute genius when it comes to this stuff, and he's got this wild brain that he's going to have to do a little reserved for you guys, but it's okay. The brain is still there, and the guy's going to come up with some unique and fun stuff. We're always doing work on the 93 Cherokee rock crawler. We just picked up a, you'll see it coming up, we got a 51 Ford F1 that's mostly not there, but it's you'll see it. It's got some interesting stories behind it. We've got an old 61 International Scout. We've got a 65, I believe, Chevy panel truck. A lot of really cool projects that we're going to be working on, and who else knows what else we're going to be doing. People are always bringing cars by here. We're having fun with them. We're just a bunch of good, God-fearing, God-loving people that have a good time. So you'll see us doing some stuff for the church. We got a van that we're going to be working on that was donated to us that we want to give to a family in need. So we're going to do that. A lot of really, really cool things. I don't think I'm missing anything. Am I, Drew?
No, I think we're good.
I think we got it all. So we're just getting started on this. Bear with us, guys, as we learn with you, because we're going to be learning how to do this. This YouTube's thing. I'm not a bleep bloop guy at all. I just like getting dirty. I've got another business that I run, and so I'll be around, but you'll see a lot of Joey. You're going to see a lot of that guy. I think in the beginning you'll probably see a lot more of me because we've been on break. So guys got time, and we've been fiddling around with stuff. But please subscribe, do all the things with the channel, jump on and leave some comments. It all helps with the algorithm. The more that you guys jump on, the more that we're able to do, more stuff. Eventually, be able to go full time with this is the goal, because we want to be able to find some really cool, fun projects to give away. to be able to involve you guys in, maybe find some fun events and do all those types of things. So all my family's coming along. They're already all getting subscribed and watching the channel because they love seeing Joey and I working together. And I am so excited to bring you guys along with this adventure. It's been a long time coming. So I just want to welcome you guys. This is our first video that we're going to be putting out. And just to say thank you already for subscribing. Thank you for ringing the little bell. It does something. Drew knows those things, but apparently you're supposed to do it. Thank you for commenting it and on it, and thank you for sharing this with your friends and family as well, so that we can grow this channel and just have fun together. So I appreciate you guys. I appreciate every one of you already. Thank you for checking us out, and I hope you have as much fun as we are. So again, welcome to Voodoo Monkey Garage. We're going to see you guys in the comments.